After letting your dough rest for about 5 minutes, uncover it and set the towel aside. Knead the dough using the stretch and fold method. Pull it out and fold it over about 1/3 the length of the dough. Then pull from the other side and fold it again. Then fold it from the bottom and the top. Press the dough out and then repeat the process for 2 complete cycles. Roll the dough out under cupped hands. Create a tight seam by using the heel of your hands to press that seam against the board underneath. Continue to roll the dough under cupped hands, pinching the ends and folding them under as needed until you have a nice long loaf shape. Dust the dough and the board around the dough liberally with corn flour. Assure that all sides and ends are well coated in corn flour. Add more corn flour as needed. Dust your parchment paper lined baking pan with corn flour. Place your dough in the baking pan and dust it again along the top and sides with more corn flour. Cover your dough with a clean, dry tea towel and place it in a warm, draft-free spot to rise for 30 minutes. With a stone on the lowest shelf of the oven, preheat your oven for at least 15 minutes to 445 degrees Fahrenheit or 230 degrees Celsius. Remove the tea towel from your risen dough and gently invert the loaf pan over the stone, allowing the dough to roll out of the pan and onto the hot stone. Remove the parchment paper from the dough and close the oven door for about 30 minutes, depending upon the desired depth of crust.